2 down, 1 to go, and I think I'm out of most of my good jokes. So this one could be a quick one, unless I come up with some witty stuff in the meantime. So this is a surveying problem. Now, the first 2 problems in your project have you to deal with 2 problems that are both surveying, or navigation, and the last 2 problems are surveying. This one here is talking about, we're going to figure out the area of this region. Now, there's no bearings. We're talking area. We're talking surveying, which is measuring angles and segments still. Very similar to navigation. And what you're going to see is you have a boat, and it starts in the southwest corner of the section of the rocks, and they place a buoy number 1. Okay. And then it goes on course of 27 degrees east, or northeast, I should say, for 25 meters. And that's where you place buoy 2. So let's do this together, okay? I'm going to start here. You're going northeast. I'm going to say like there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a 25 meters. And I'm going to put 27 degrees right here. Notice exactly the location I put here. Extremely important. It's northeast. If any questions on that, you gotta ask. And that's my first step. Oh, I should do one more thing, right? I should call this buoy does. Okay? When you're done, we'll move on to the next slide, which is this next sentence. Now you got to follow a course of 80 degrees. And we're going to follow a course 80 degrees northeast. So that's going to look a little bit narrower. I don't like the way that looks. So I'm just going to try it one more time. Start a little bit higher. I think that's better. Looks about 80 degrees, right? The 80 degrees, though, make sure you guys understand this, is right here. 80 degrees. By the way, are people okay? Are comfortable? Are they comfortable if I do this? This is 80 degrees, but what else is 27 degrees? Are people comfortable if I say this is also 27 degrees because of alternate interior angles? Please raise your hand if you have questions, because I can't answer them because I'm not here. That's right. I can't. I'll try, Patrick, but I can't. Okay, everybody likes shout-outs today, huh? But not everybody can get a shout-out, right? There's 29 of you. Doesn't matter, right? We have to accept the fact that there are 29 of you, and 29 shout-outs is a lot to ask for right now. Buoy 3. Let's put that here. And we'll call the distance 30 meters. Done with this slide. Moving on to the next one. I feel like I go quicker when I'm doing it this way. Maybe we'll do all the classes like this. You guys like that? Raise your hand if you'd like that. Yeah, I can't see you guys, remember? How many people actually raised their hand? Raise your hand again. Yeah, I still can't see you guys. It's kind of weird because I'm talking and I don't know if people are listening, making fun of me, or whatever, but I don't really care. That's one thing about me, because I don't care. All right. Anyway, last side that they travel is at south. Oh, this is important. Southeast, 52 degrees. So start at your normal spot. That southeast is this. Okay. Notice this is important. The southeast is 52 degrees. Some of you are saying, you made a mistake, Mr. Harrison. It shouldn't be right. Hold on one second. I'll do your voice. It shouldn't be right. Oh, no, that's terrible. It shouldn't be right here. It should be right here. Or should it be here, or here, or here, or here? It has to go right here. Everybody clear on that? Southeast. Okay. For 35 meters. Put that here. I actually think I didn't do justice to this picture, so I'm actually going to make it look a little bit more to scale, even though this is clearly not drawn to scale. I'm having trouble, though, stretching it out, but there we go. I said I was bad at computers. We'll make that number a little bit bigger, emphasize the importance of it. And we'll place buoy 4 right here. By the way, oh, nice work. Some of you are saying alternate interior angles. You're right. We got to take care of that. Alternate interior angles. What else is 80? Right here. Hopefully your diagram's as neat as mine. You guys see this? Do you agree? If you agree, let's move on. Boom. There's our picture. If you've gotten this far, you're following along, give yourself a high five. Okay, here we are. All right, what are we trying to do? We're trying to figure out, watch my lettering here. I wish it was an easier way to type. But let's first figure out the area of A. I'm going to call this A, this region here. We'll call that A. And I'm going to say to figure out A, to to figure out the area of A. To figure out area of A, you have to do the following. K equals 1/2 30 times 35 times sine of 132. I'm not going to put the degree symbol here because that's a lot of work for me to do. You get 390.2 units squared. I'm going to make this bigger because I think some people are having trouble seeing. I see some squinting. I actually don't see you squinting, but I believe you probably could be. I'm going to color code this because this is going to be important. I only found the area of this triangle. What do I need to figure out next? So if that's A, let me make that A a little bit more. We'll call all our letters that we're making up, these fake lettering. Wish I could actually, there we go. Let's color it, pick a color. Orange? Sure. Let's figure out B now. If I say B is for Bob, no, this is B, right here. How are we going to figure that out? I'm going to put to find B, law of cosines. So bear with me here because I am typing on Smartboard and I'm doing it relatively quickly. So to find this, I'm going to do B. I should do lowercase because we're talking about side lengths. So B squared. Oops, I don't want, oh no, this is devastating. They've encountered a problem. We're going to get disconnected. Oh no. Oh no. We lost our file, so bear with me. Can we open it up and have everything saved? This is what we call live TV, folks. Would you like to recover the lost files? This never works, but let's see. It did work, but oh no. Yeah, it did save, but we did do some extra work. Does this look familiar? Well, okay. Oh, we lost all that typing. Does that mean we have to redo it? Would you guys be okay if I said, let's find out little b, and we just figure it out? Okay. We're going to call, we already figured out triangle A, which we said was 390.2. And I'm not going to redo that calculation because you guys have it. We just did it, right? It'll actually give us more room. To figure out B, to find B, we need to do the law of cosines to find B. Law of cosines. That's frustrating when that happens, but you know, that's the power of technology. It never works, right? Whoa, no, we're getting technical difficulties, folks. Let me ask you this question. Can you guys finish this problem? And then I will pick it up tomorrow. I mean, this is the second time it's happened, and I'm getting a little frustrated. So anyway, finish this problem. I think you can do it. It's challenging. If not, get into your groups, okay? And your final answer, by the way, for this problem, which I'll do tomorrow, is 1,119.1 meters squared. For now, can you pick groups of up to 3 people? Read the assignment sheet, okay? And do questions 1 and 2 on the project page. There is one change. For question 1, change the black pearl. Okay, for question 1, the 10 knots is fine. The 37 degrees is fine. Change 7 knots to 4 knots. Change 2.5 hours to 3. Make those changes, otherwise it will not come out correct. Okay? Good luck. Thanks for being an attentive audience.